Well, after a chilly start this morning, the sun's up and it's starting to warm up. It's going to be rather a nice day. Okay, today I want to get on with this newel post end. Now, I've got two pieces of rough cut timber here. Maybe I could do something with them. Let's have a look. Now, one is a little bit rougher than the other one. This has got lots of nails in it. It's just about the right dimension but slightly out of shape. And I've got this piece of oak. It's a lot bigger, 150 instead of 120. And I think this would be suitable. Yeah, I think we go with this. Might have to use a chainsaw, I'm not quite sure yet. Yeah, let's just have a go. So line across the top, one down that side, same again. Here goes. Okay, let's check for squareness. You can see that. We've got something to work with now, which is great. Where did it go? Why? Comes to finishing off the bottom section. I think I'm just going to put a shallow chamfer on it, 4 sides. So I've just made the first cut with the table saw. All going well so far. Keep looking at it thinking, am I cutting the right way? Only time will tell. Yeah, that's pretty much where I want it to be. Okay, what I think I'll do is maybe take a little bit off of there. Yeah, I want it pretty basic and rustic, and I think we've achieved that. That was a masonry bee. Yep, sun comes out, they come out. Right, let's go inside. Let's take a look. Here it goes. How about that? Looks like it grew there. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take the edges slightly off of there, put a chamfer on them just to soften the edge of this all. This can be stained up, sanded. When it comes to the fixing, yeah, I didn't want to come down too low, of anything sort of pointed, because we do step off at this point, well, to the left, but you know, you have to make allowances. Anyone 6'6" is not allowed in. Simple as that. Okay, yeah, I'm pleased with that. Considering I used a chainsaw. Not bad. Just remember the saying of the day. It's far from square, but it's square from afar. Then after a little bit of consideration, I decided to go with a Newel. Now that's not going anywhere. Once that's plugged, sanded down. Beautiful. Just started to make a plug here, trim up. And what I'm doing is just making the bit that goes into the hole first slightly tapered. As we bang it in, anything sticking out I can either leave protruding a bit so it looks rustic, or I can cut it flush back. Go and give that a try. That's probably too big. Yeah, it is at the moment. Keep whittling. Time consuming but worth it. The temptation is to take too much off. And then you have to start again. We've glued the hole. That's it, sand it down. Yep, taking shape. Well, it took me longer than expected, but these little fiddly jobs normally do. At least we've got it on now. Okay, well that is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.